Let's ditch the boring text and surprise your boyfriend with a super cute and personalized website using Carrd. First, head over to carrd.co and click on Choose a Starting Point. Then select a blank canvas to start, totally fresh. It's all about making it your own. Now, add a container element to give your site structure. Tweak the width to your liking and choose a background color that screams his favorite vibe. Time for the main message. Add a text element and pour your heart out. Adjust the font size, color, and style until it feels perfectly you. Next, add an image element. Upload a super cute photo of you two, resize it, and place it strategically to maximize the feels. Want to add a personalized touch? Add a button element and link it to your couple's playlist on Spotify or a special video. Customize the button's text and color. Alright, almost there. Hit publish. Choose a memorable URL like iloveyou to the moon.carrd.co and boom. You've got a personalized website ready to surprise your boyfriend.